where all your people from? Is it Indonesia or Eritrea? Possibly somewhere on the coast of Africa. Her queens originate in Ethiopia. Tongue-kissed by the island sun. I'll meet you there for I will go.
I love her. I really do. I often imagine the process God uses to create each person. With her, it feels like she said, "Go ahead, Damien. Make the perfect person for you." Like some Build-A-Bear workshop type stuff. All I know is heaven sent. That's an understatement for her.
Hey, yo, T, what's up?
And then there's me, the no-good ex-drug addict who now gets to travel the country doing hair for celebrities. Dream job, dream girl, life's good.
Yeah. Hey, look though, what you on? Bet. Well, shit, meet me at the pool hall downtown, man. Yeah, I got something to tell you. All right, bet.
So how was the tour?
Shit, it was straight, man, but I would be tired of cutting down the road. I'm ready to get back to the crib.
Man, what about the bitch?
Bro, you know I ain't worried about no hoe. You know I'm trying to make the thing work with Neil. And I honestly appreciate you respect it. Nah, but for real though, bro. I only hit one jump on the road. She was bad. But I had been dodging the whole time. She called me last week on some drunk shit. Shit, I felt bad here after though.
Damn, nigga got you whipped like that? Told you I don't like that bitch.
Damn, chill, fam.
My bad, bro. I just don't like the Christian silver spoon want to be good, girl. Their relationship shit for the bird.
Boy, you been like this in high school. Shit, you know Neil, my high school sweetheart though. Shit, she the only one stuck by me when I was down bad on the pills. Got me professional help and shit. Made me go back to school, finish the barber courses. I wouldn't have none of this shit if it weren't for her. Plus, she finna have your niece, nigga.
So you telling me she ain't done wrong by you, not even once?
Shit, to be real, she told me recently she did one time. She was trying to give me the details and all that, but I wasn't really trying to hear all that. I just want her worried that it wasn't gonna happen no more before I, pop the question.
Hell no.
Yeah, bro. Get tired of fucking all these hoes, bro. Plus, I'm trying to be a little family man or something. That shit real around here in our community. My last time cheating was my last time for real.
So when you plan on doing it?
She'll be here in a few minutes. I sent her the wrong text message, just said.
Hey, babe. I got home a little early from touring. Meet me at the pool hall downtown before I head home. Oh, hell no.
Nigga, you crazy as hell. She gonna come in and kill all this.
I know, right? But as soon as she start tripping, she gonna pull it out. Just make sure you got your camera ready. But I got a piece. Y'all kind of never before she get here.
Where the fuck they at?
What the fuck who is?
Damien and that bitch, she got me him up here.
Like, don't come up here with all that bullshit. I don't know what you talking about. There you go, right there.
Where the fuck she at?
Baby,
Yeah, I told you she was gonna
Nah, Terry, cause you always having him do some dog ass shit to me. You already on my shit list.
See, get the fuck back.
will you marry me?
You idiot, you don't do that to no pregnant woman.
I guess this a yes then, huh?
Yes.
Look at the little birds.
Shut up, Terry.
Baby, I love you. You really thought I was gonna cheat on you?
Mic check one, can you hear me? Hold up. Say they sleeping on me, guess I put them in a coma. Oh, sweet dreams, I wasn't raised to please no one. Like the great saying, man, that boy go hunt. Look, fuck you, fuck her, fuck them. Who am I? Who are you?
Hey, this ain't no motherfucking whole house either, bro. You gonna have to start doing your dirt somewhere else.
Nigga, like I be here 24/7.
Nah, but once a month. But for real though, you gonna have to start chipping in on bills or something, bro.
Man, you got me fucked up. And how the fuck you get my damn shorts too, bro? I ordered them bitches back in January when I was on tour. Neil said the hoe never came in. You been on my porch stealing packages or some shit, ain't you?
Nobody been on your damn porch. You think they stopped making these shorts when they made yours?
Nah, but I damn sure think you been on my porch stealing my packages though.
Man, whatever. Yeah.
Fuck that though. I gotta bounce, bro. Get back to the crib before dinner. Before Neil start bitching and shit. You know how she be getting. Yeah. Damn, I ordered a shot of Uber though, so shit, that bitch should be here soon.
Alright, bro.
I'm hollering at you.
Wayne, man. Baby, you left you by yourself then. You need some water, crack or something?
Boy, if you don't get the fuck.
Kisses on your forehead as I show affection.
What's your favorite food? Obviously, I can't hear your responses, so I'll give you my answer. I love pizza. Every now and then, I enjoy pasta, salad, pancakes, etc., but that doesn't change how I feel about my pizza. My point is, just because I enjoy this girl and that girl every now and then doesn't change how I feel about Nia. She's my pizza. And I know you guys are probably judging me right now, but hey, I'm only human.
You disrespecting this on sight, you got my full attention. I showed you love from the heart, you ain't gotta mention it. Told her I ain't had a time, she started petitioning.
Mom, I can feel Damien back on that bullshit. I don't care if he pay all my bills. This ain't the 60s no more. Well, if I was putting my degree to use, I can pay all the bills. He don't want me to work. Mama, here he come. I gotta go. I love you.
So bad. God damn. What's for dinner then? Shit. A sandwich? Bro, you been at home all this time and all you can make was a sandwich?
Ask one of them bitches on that tour bus to cook you something to eat.
Bro, I ain't about to worry about no bitches, bro. I be gone all this time trying to make sure the bills and shit taken care of for you and the baby, and this all you can talk about?
What the fuck ever, because you know if I got a job right now, I make twice as much as you on that tour bus.
Twice as much? Bro, I'm not even finna do this with you right now. I apologize. I just had a long day at work dealing with the brat ass.
And it's always about you, ain't it? You never asked how my day went if our baby had a good day. See, now you woke the damn baby up.
Bro, I got her. Bro, I said I got her.
Well, there you have it. Everyone talks about their happily ever after stories, but they never warn you about what happens after the happily ever after. I think this shit for the birds.
They women always talking about we ain't shit, but I ain't never thought about it. They the ones that rated I ain't shit ass.
I mean, yeah, you got a point there, little brother. But you got to think about it. Shit been fucked up since day one. We was taught to hate each other, even after slavery was abolished. So our culture just started 400 years ago. So we can't sit and blame our sisters for the things that, you know, we got messed up. We basically got to take a stand. And we got to do this ourselves and teach our young sons and teach their sons the right way to go so we can break the cycle.
Man, you always coming up in here with all that preacher man shit. Ain't that right, Dan?
Well, bro, you do got a point.
Thank you, brother.
Hello? This is he. Is she okay? I'll be right there. Man, I gotta go. It's an emergency, man. I gotta go.
What about my cut, man?
Man, I'll put you in the game, bro.
Nah, I'm straight, bro. I'm out of here.
Well, damn.
Hello, Mr. Johnson. I'm Dr.
Yes,
Clark.
sir. You please tell me what my wife and daughter is.
Yes, sir. Well, your daughter was picked up earlier by your mother-in-law. She came and got her after your wife was admitted.
Man, I've been here all this time and everybody told me nothing. Can you please tell me what's going on?
Yes, sir. I understand your frustrations completely. Well, regarding your wife, she was arrested early by the ambulance. They got her here as soon as possible after falling out in the grocery store. After running a few tests, we found multiple cysts on her ovaries, and she's now been diagnosed with stage 2 cancer. When your child came a month early, the OB couldn't identify what the problem was, but we now believe that the illness was correlated to the premature birth.
What you mean the baby came early?
Yes, your child, the premature one. She did mention you were a traveling hairstylist and that you was on tour during the birth. And plus the baby didn't have any complications. Maybe that's not why it was mentioned.
A month early means the baby was conceived in January, right?
Well, honestly, I'm not sure about all of those details, but if you have any questions concerning your wife or anything like that, I'll be happy to answer them for you. You'll be able to see her in about an hour, and I also have a few documents I need you to sign.
And how the fuck you get my damn shorts too, bro? I ordered them bitches back in January when I was on tour.
So you telling me she ain't done wrong by you, not even one?
Shut up, Terry.
When I asked Terry how he got my basketball shorts, I would have never guessed that he grabbed them after fucking my girlfriend, probably took a shower, then laid in my bed. Terry and Nia? How would you feel after finding out your 2-year-old daughter doesn't belong to you, but instead your best friend? P.S. This is not a happy ending.
Sammy.
I ain't even drop, ain't no way these niggas catching up. My bottom bitch hit my line from Vegas tryna shut him up. I told a bitch to keep her hair done so I can mess it up. Talk told me link with him at 7, I say cut it up. Every time I hit the stove feel like I'm making history. I had to leave a bitch alone, it's clear she wasn't missing me. Hater renegade, always screaming, ain't no pippin' me. She said I smell good, I told her that's the smell of victory and hustle. Sucky face good, I bought her Cuban off the muscle. Have a meeting, call a huddle, told my hoes don't ever fumble. Playing ball for me, then every night you triple double. And them niggas there pussy, they don't really want no trouble. Styrofoam cut, this ain't no lean, bitch, it's Clinko. Grew up where you start off with Impalas or the Regals. I just want a bitch who wanna stem my alter ego. I've been busy trying to know this pretty bitch from Puerto Rico. Keep it playing, baby, miss me with that pillow talk. They drop some weight up on my shoulders, I'm gon' get it off. I'm pressing lines, don't push a button, that's gon' piss me off. I'ma take the lead, cause I think everyone gon' get me lost.